Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Ryobi days at Home Depot. Buy one get one free deals. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way to raise the platform by subscribers and likes. So help us out by doing so. Alright, this is the Ryobi days. If you guys see this, this is pretty much it. You buy this the batteries and the charger, and for $99, and you get the free tool. That's the way it looks. It says get one select power tool free, $99, 4 amp hour lithium starter kit, 2 4 amp hour batteries. That is the box right there, the case where they come in. And those are the tools. You could get the drill driver, or the hammer drill, the impact driver, circ saw, the reciprocating saw, the jigsaw, the oscillating tool, the hot glue gun, the job site speaker. You get the chainsaw at the bottom. You can get the blower. You get the rotary tool, a Dremel tool, whatever you want to call it. You get the edge trimmer. You could get an extra battery there, the compact battery, inflator, a sander. A lot of tools you guys could get with this kit here, $99, and that's the way it looks. They only have a few in stock. Well, not a few, but they have less in stock than other Home Depots, and that's the way it looks on these lights. They're pretty much thrown all over the place. This is not the best Home Depot. If you guys want to see another Home Depot, check out my last week's video. So that is the $29 value compact speaker. It is $49.97. That's the 2-pack of lights, LED. You got the compact glue gun, $19.97. You got the precision rotary tool, $44.97. That's the lights, the pack of 2. And guys, remember, if that's what you want to do, you guys can hack this. I don't recommend it because it's already a good smoking killer deal on these tools and batteries. But if that's what you want to do, you guys can do it. I have this fan, it works really good. Lasts a long time with those batteries. And then I just bought this with this deal here, $44.97. Should be making the video this week or next week, so hopefully I'll get enough time to do it. Alright, then this side you got the battery source inverter. So it's a 150 watt inverter, $59.97. Got the pruning chainsaw. This is one of the newest tools, $89.97. You got the blower, $59.97. You got the edge trimmer for $99. But yeah, that's all they had here, was just the blower. They didn't have the edge trimmer. Well, they did have the edge trimmer, but not the chainsaw. That's the 22-inch edge trimmer. And then this side they had the free battery for $69 with the 2 amp hour. That's the performance battery. Then they got the inflator for $24.97. The angle grinder for $44.97. So you can choose all those. And then the sander, $44.97, the 5-inch orbit sander. That's the inflator. And you got the angle grinder. And it's not a brushless angle grinder, it's a regular brushed angle grinder. You got the sander there, the 5-inch orbital. Then you got the oscillating tool, multi-tool. You got the jigsaw. And then you got the reciprocating saw. That's the multi-tool again. So $79 for the reciprocating saw, $69 for the jigsaw. I do have that jigsaw. It's really nice. Definitely recommend it. $59 for the multi-tool. The multi-tool, yeah, if you're a DIY, you're going to use it every now and then, it's okay. I personally would go for a DeWalt at least on the multi-tool. You got the circ saw, 5.5 inch circ saw. Impact driver, 1/4 inch. That's the circ saw right there. And then the impact driver to the left. And then you got the drill with the hammer drill, I believe. So that is a hammer drill, a really basic drill, but it works. And then there's the battery pack again with the starter. So those are the new batteries, the new promos this year. It says valid through 7/24, I believe. So you still got 2 months. Remember, guys, these things are gonna fly off the shelf. So just keep that in mind. Next thing you know, these are all sold out and you're not going to get your tools. So make sure you guys jump on it if you guys are going to get this deal. You got the 4-tool combo kit, $129. Does include 1 amp hour 2 1 amp hour batteries. I believe a 1 amp hour battery and a bigger one, so you guys see there. $99. You got a drill driver impact driver with 2 1.5 amp hour batteries. Charger in the bag. And you got $79 for the half an inch drill driver kit with 2 1.5 amp hour batteries. And then you got $14.97 for the 22-piece titanium bit set. $9.97 for the 40-piece impact drive set. Some of you have been commenting down on the description section or the comments that you guys use some of these bits and you guys like them. I personally don't like them. I haven't used any of these new ones. But I used other ones like they come in a case like this. Not the best bits from my experience. But let me know down in the comment section what you guys think about these bits. I know some of you have been telling me that you guys do like them. Some of you guys tell me that you guys don't like them. I personally like DeWalt and Milwaukee. So definitely stick with those. Anyways, that's it for today. That was just the Ryobi days. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this. Make more tool review videos. Just the video to run the platform by subscribers and likes. And also stay tuned for our Milwaukee video. Our Milwaukee buy one get one free.